What's up, guys? It's the homeless investor here. Just wanted to chat real quick. Today's Monday, as you know, and today's just another day, man. Every day is another day. Every day is another day to do something different, to be better than you was. Every day is another day, man. Just take it slow. Take it slow, take your time. Don't rush. Don't be angry. Don't be mad, don't be upset. Take everything as it comes. But literally take your time. The way things is going right now in the world, you don't benefit being angry, mean. You can't benefit like that. You should be looking to be kind, nice, happy. Happy, 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 happy. Doing things that's gonna make you happy. Doing things that's gonna make people around you happy. Doing things that's gonna benefit you and your family. You and your family, not anybody else, only you and your family and the people that you care about. Do things that matter to you and them, and that will help and benefit you and them. Nobody else cares, nobody else is gonna care, and especially if you're not caring. And even if they don't care, it's like you shouldn't be looking for people to care anyway. You should care. You should be the only and the main person caring about yourself and your situation. You. If you're not caring, you're not doing things to help you out of your situation, why should anybody else care? Why should anybody even try to help you if you're not even doing the bare minimum of little things that you can do to help yourself? There's so much little stuff you can do to help yourself, but if you're not even doing that, the little bitest amount of things to help yourself, why should anybody even thinking about help you?
All Cabo Library users must wear a mask at all times, unless actively eating or drinking. The requirement to wear a mask applies to everyone, regardless of vaccination status.
You see? Should I be upset about that when I knew that was going to come on? Should I be upset that I got to wear a mask here? Well, no, but this is the thing that we put ourselves through. So it's like you got to accept what's going on and keep pushing forward. Like keep pushing forward, keep trying to push forward, keep trying to do better, keep trying to see a better day. Never be looking for negativeness. Like even if negativeness or negative energy comes towards you, be thinking about that positiveness. Be thinking about something positive, or be thinking about how you can get into something positive. Even if you're around negativity, you don't want to indulge in that negativeness. You want to indulge in some positiveness. Even if there's something negative around you, think about how can you get towards some type of positiveness. Like just keep it super positive. Never stress anything. Don't be trying to stress too much stuff. When something bad happens, F it, go with the flow. Be like, accept it. Be accepted of it. Be like, all right, what else can happen? Like, dare it to get worse. Like, dare it to. Like, I dare it to get worse. Like, if this is bad, oh man, I wonder how bad it really can get. Oh, just know it can't get real bad. Just know it can get worse, sir. And when it does get worse, it's just like, you remember also you asked for that. You asked for it to get worse, sir. Just remember that. But so when you do, and it does get worse, it's like, hey man, like if this is as worse as you can get, I ain't even mad. I'm not even mad because like I knew this was just about as worse as you can get, so I can't even be upset at myself because like I wasn't really doing anything for it not to happen. So it's like, who can I really be mad at but me, So it's like I can't get mad at nobody but myself. But I could if I want to, stay in negativeness. So that's why, like, when you're a negative person and you got that negative energy, anything or somebody, like, you just look for any type of excuse or reason to blame somebody else, it would make sense to you. It would make sense to you. Like, it would make so perfect sense how it was somebody else's fault and it wasn't really your fault. It would make so much sense. But when you look to try to not even blame nobody and blame yourself and pull yourself up on some things that you could be doing better, you will help yourself in the long run. Like you're like once again, it's all about yourself and bettering yourself as a person. When you know how to better yourself as a person, you know how to maneuver around people. You know how other people are when they're negative and versus when they're positive. You know how you can maneuver. You're putting yourself, or how you can, or how you would be positioned, or how you would act in certain situations around certain people. That's what you want to know. You want to be able to know yourself in all type of situations, whether it's good or bad, whether it's good or bad. You really want to know how to bad. You really want to, for me, how I view it, you really want to know how you are in the bad situations. Because if you don't know how you are in the bad situations, that might be one of the worst situations you can get yourself in. Because like if you don't know what's your limit in a bad situation, you might not even have a chance to have a limit no more. So it's like you want to be able to know that you know your limits and know how you get when you know your limits and know what to do when you're trying not to reach some limits and know how to go about, not getting to the furthest extent of you reaching your limit. Just trying to alleviate all of that. Like, but you do want to have these thoughts. You do want to know what pushes you and what can have you over the edge and what would it actually take and what would you do when you're over the edge. You really want to know all of these things. You really have to know all of these things. You have to know these things. So you're better prepared for any moment that comes to you. Like it's really as simple as that. Want to be prepared for everyone, even if because you can't prepare for everyone, but you can try to prepare. You can be aware of the potential things that can and cannot come, or may and may not happen. When you want to be aware of these things, to be aware is to be alive. That's another favorite adage of mine. To be aware is to be alive. As long as you're aware of the things that can potentially happen to not happen, you're better set than the person who doesn't know nothing or who's not even thinking about none of them things. You're in a better position to help yourself, man. So it's like you should be trying to inform yourself and enlighten yourself on positive, good vibes, things that is beneficial, things that can help you and not stress you out, man. And that's why I'm the homeless investor. Because like I'm right now, my homelessness, I'm not stressed. I'll tell you right now, like there's not a day right now that I wake up and I'm stressed. Like literally, I don't wake up stressed. When I wake up like I'll be so excited. Like, what time is it? Is the market open? Like literally, every time I wake up, every day. Is what time is it? Like, what time is it? Is it around that time? I start checking, look at numbers. Is it around that time? Like, that's literally every day. I'm excited for a new day. Like, even if it's not, like, the only days I'm not really excited is Saturday or Sunday. I ain't gonna lie, Saturday and Sunday, I don't like Saturdays and Sundays. I'll tell you that right now. But I use my Saturdays and Sundays to think about what's going on, how we gonna make this week. But Saturday, Sunday, but them days I'm waking up, I'm wondering, what is next? What else can I do? What can I do today that can help me for next year, next month, what else? I wake up every day excited for something new, excited for something. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know, but it's just like, I know I got some stock. I know one day my stock is going to do right because I took the time to teach myself and inform myself and enlighten myself on things about stocks and about the companies that I particularly invest in to make me feel comfortable with holding them stocks and being homeless in that process. It gets greater later, like literally, it gets greater later. Everything takes time, but you got to be informed on how to make things get greater later, on how things take time, on how you have to relax, be cool, calm, and collective in all types of situations, on how you got to know yourself, and how you got to know how to be and go about certain things, and on how to dodge certain things, and how to put yourself in certain situations and things at certain times. Like you got to know, but you got to be trying, you got to be willing, you got to be all of that, like really trying, willing, and you got to be putting that energy and effort to try and be and do better. Like literally, that's it. And I'm gonna end it on that note. The homeless investor, man. Hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day and your week, man.